Hello guys, my name is George. I want to do this movie since a long time ago, but unfortunately I was super busy with my work and I couldn't do it. So basically this is the battery removable for Fiido D4s. I don't know if it will work also for other Fiido, because I don't have other Fiido. I only have the D4s. Okay, why I want to do this battery? When D4s came, I think the D11 was already launched, or we know many things about D11 already, and they said that they will have the removable battery. And I live in an apartment, third floor, and I don't have an elevator, so for me it's not okay to take the bike to the third floor daily and things like this. So I was thinking, okay, I can store the bike somewhere and I can take only the battery and I will charge it in house. Okay, and the D11 was perfect in that moment, but the price was very high. I mean, I didn't want to pay such amount of money, because I didn't know if I would like the bike or if I would love Fiido bikes and things like this. Then I started to think how to do a battery. So this is the battery. Basically, here is the stock battery, and here you have all the wires, and this is the aluminum plate that it is fixed in the frame by these two screws. Okay, and then I was thinking, okay, let me think how can I do it to remove it very fast, and such thinking in my mind. Okay, I made it. It was okay, but then I was thinking, okay, what if I want to charge the bike when the bike is unfolded? And then I redesigned and put the battery charger port in the design of the STL of this piece. Okay, now everything is fine. These things will come in the same place, except that it's inside the frame, let's say, but you can charge it when the bike is unfolded. Okay, now let me explain you how I did. Sorry, 1 second. Unfortunately, I have an issue. I didn't manage to find a way in order the battery to stay inside the frame while the bike is folded. Okay, so when the bike is folded, the battery is not firm, stay firm there, and it can get out very easy. Okay. I will be back once I finish unscrew this 4 screws. Okay, I'm getting back. So here are the things that I did. Let me unplug this and I will explain you what exactly I did here and how. So this is the battery mainly. Here the stock battery has 2 bullets, let's say, connectors. Okay, which from my point of view are not very good. So I changed it with the XT60, and here for the charger I changed it with XT30. Okay, why? Because if I want to remove this thing, I can do it easily. If I want to change something, or if I want to increase the charger, I mean, if I want to charge faster, I can use directly the XT30 because it supports a lot more current. Okay, so basically, I think you can use the stock one if you want, or here you need to cut it because it will be easier for you to mount the charger port here. Okay, let me explain. Here is the plate. Okay, I didn't change anything to it. Basically, I put here an XT60 connector in order to connect the battery. Okay. Here, if you can see, I made 4 holes, and I put M2 screws, so 2 millimeter screws. Okay, and here if you see, there are 4 screws, okay, and the holes will come directly in the holes, let's say. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, and this is how I mount the printer part to the plate. Okay, if I want to extract the battery, I have here, okay, and I can pull, and I will pull the battery. Okay, here I have the charger port. Okay, it is mounted, I mean, is the same concept, because here in the STL part I put here, I don't know, the outer diameter is bigger than the inside, okay, and here it will come, I mean, the port will not get out, it is on the same flat position, let's say, okay, and here you have the same nut, plastic nut, that you can tighten it in order to fix the charger port. Okay, here I don't know exactly, you have like 4 millimeters inside, so it's pretty strong. Also this one, I mean, I can break it if I want, but I really need to force it. Okay, then how you mount exactly battery? As I said, the plate will come, will be fixed here with 4 screws. Okay, initially, from my point of view, you should I mean, I have the STL file, I mean the 3D printed part with the holes already, but from my point of view, you should I will have 2 files, one with the holes, one without. You should not use the one with holes, because this, it's firm, it will be inserted in the frame pretty firm. So I don't know if it will be the same holes for you or not. So that's from my point of view. You can take the one without holes. You will put this one, you will insert in the frame. Here you can put a double tape, sorry, and then you will put this one in the frame, and the plate like this. In this way, it will this one will be glued. Let's say will stay like this, and then you can make the holes. Okay. Because you need exactly to put. I mean, it will work only in one position. You cannot play with that. You don't have enough room to play with this in the frame. So this is firm in the frame, and you have to find the position to the plate for the plate, and then you have to make 4 holes. Okay. Then how you will attach this one to the battery? Here, if you can see, I'll make a hole because of this. Okay, I didn't want to. I was afraid that maybe if I would put until here the 3D printed part, it will affect the cable. So I made a hole. Again, the structure, I mean, it's pretty stiff. This thing is pretty stiff. I cannot break it easily. Okay, and then how we attach this piece to the battery? We take a duct tape. Okay, we put here. Let me show you a quick example. Okay, we'll insert it here. Use a pretty good one. I mean, not a cheap one. Use a Tesla or something like that. Okay. Okay, like this. And here, you make something like that to be more rigid. Okay, and this one here. After you find the position. Here, you can go like this, with a tape until here, and with another one here. And in this way, trust me, I can move it easily, and I can put it back easily. so it's not a big deal. Let me put it back to this together, and I'll show you how is it in the frame. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the frame. So this is the battery. Okay. If you can see, it's pretty firm. I mean, yeah, they have some. I mean, I can move this a little bit, but it's okay. Okay. And here the best part is that you cannot put you cannot rotate the battery. So this is the way it goes with this rubber down. Okay, and here, see, it's okay. If I put it here, if I let's say by mistake I put it in another way, see, it will not enter. It will stay like this, and you will know that you cannot damage the battery and the controller and things like this. So this is the thing. It will enter the frame. See here, it can easily go out. This is the see. And I didn't find a method how to do it except to put one screw, but I don't want that, because to be honest, if my bike is folded, basically I want to take the battery out. I don't know other case. Okay, this is the thing, and you have to be sure that when you unfold the bike, you put you push the battery all the way up. Okay, and again, these things are just for easy removal, to be easy to remove the battery, but I don't think it's needed, to be honest. I think it will work like that perfectly. Okay, I was wondering if I could put here some magnets, but I don't think this is aluminium and it will not stick to the magnet. Okay, so basically this is my battery removable for the D4s. I don't know again if it's working for others. Okay, so that is my mode for D4s. Okay, I still want to improve if I can. Again, I want to think of a method for the battery to stay firm there, but except to make a hole in the frame and put a locker as the Xiaomi has it, I don't know. But for the moment, for me, it's okay. I unfold the bike only when I want to charge it or when I want to store it. And when I want to store it, I can take the battery out and put it separately from the bike. Okay, I'm still working on other modes. A lot of you requested a cover where the bike is folded and unfolded, so for waterproof. From my point of view, I don't think it's a problem there. I'm still working on it. Yeah, it's pink, but doesn't matter. I'm still working, and I need to adapt it. I made a thumb acceleration also. I just went yesterday to 25 kilometers run, and I still need to improve that because it's not stay firm on the acceleration, and it can go down very easy. But I am thinking how to improve it. Again, this is my. I know I wanted to make a short video, but it seems it's not. Okay. This is all. Thank you for watching this video. Sorry if I didn't make myself very clear. English is not my main language. Okay, but I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will put STL the 3D part file on the group. I will not upload it on Thingiverse or things like this. Only on this group. I don't want to be shared with anyone. If you want to have a 3D printer part, maybe I need to talk with my postal office. I don't know how easy to ship in Europe, but I think it's something around 3-4 euro per package. And I will see if someone from you wants that. I mean, this piece printed. It's okay. Again, you have to buy as I explained, 4 screws and some XT6 if you want. Again, only if you want. I recommend to change to XT30 at least to the charger port, because it will be easier for you to manipulate this thing when you attach to the plate or to the battery. Okay, thank you guys.